Hello my beautiful, good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chichi. I'm a mom YouTuber based here in Germany, and in this platform I do skincare product review. I talk about beauty, lifestyle, fashion and lots more. So if that is what you love seeing, that is what interests you, please click on the subscription button, turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right straight into today's video. Review. So my beauties, today's video is about exfoliating shower gel, one of the best exfoliating shower gel I have ever used. I'm not exaggerating. This is a request video. I got this request from an amazing subscribers to talk about these two exfoliating shower gel from same company but different range, and to differentiate it and tell you what I find out in this one and how I find out what I find out in the other one, and which skin type can use this and which skin type can use the other one. So today I'll be doing something like a comparison to compare these two products, to tell you guys the one I love best and the one that I'm using presently, and what it does on your skin and how to use it. So sit back and so my lovelies, like I was saying, today's video is about the shower gel exfoliating fair and white exfoliating shower gel. And here with me I have these two amazing body shower gel, like it's called a body shower gel. This is the two I have. This from the fair and white so white tonic scrub. This is the first one, like the pink one. And with me here, I have the fair and white prepare shower gel pressure scrub, the gold. So this one is the gold. Let's take, for instance, that this is from the gold range, from the fair and white gold range. And let's say, for instance, this is from the so white range. So this is from the so white range. Exactly. This is from the so white range. And this particular one here is from the gold range, guys. Not wasting much of your time. In these two products, I'll be telling you guys, this is the first one I'll be reviewing today. This is the exfoliant gold shower gel tonic scrub. It's a revitalizing so white perfume. Guys, this shower gel is amazing. If you are looking to glow your skin, to give your skin that softness, that beautiful glow, this is for you guys. This is so nice. I've used this over and over again, and I went back to using this so white. I find this one very nice. The particles, that's the beads inside are so nice. They are not so harsh to the skin, but when you are using it, you feel that you are using something on your skin. So this is so nice. This helps to exfoliate your skin, give you that glow, remove dead skin cells, and beautify your skin. If you are using this, trust me, your skin is gonna glow. So this is what I'm using presently. You guys, you all know, because I'm using the fair and white range, the so white range. So I decided to get this one, and you can see this is what I have it up to this place, and this is my skin. These are my knuckles. This is what I use. I don't normally use this every day. Like, it's written that you can use this shower gel every day because it's so mild on the skin. But for me, I'm very careful when I'm using skincare products. I know that exfoliating, too much of exfoliation is not good for your skin. So I do this 2 to 3 times a week. Maximum 3 times a week. I use this after taking my shower, washing out the dirt. I use this and exfoliate my skin, and my goodness, when you touch your skin feels so soft and supple. I don't want to emphasize on this on this shower gel. I just want to differentiate it and tell you guys which to go for. So if you are that person that's looking for something very intense, a little bit, not very intense, let me say intense, when you are scrubbing, you want to feel that something is moving on your skin, go for this shower gel. This builds on this shower gel is much more, you feel it more on your skin when you're using it compared to the other one I've used. So this one, you feel it on your skin, you really feel that your skin, you are scrubbing your skin. So I like this one. I used it before and it got finished. I tried another of the range. I didn't love it that much. It's nice also, but I prefer this one, and this is what I'm sticking to. This actually glows your skin, guys. So go give it a try and tell me what you think about it. You can also check my other video. I did a review about this exfoliating shower scrub. It's very nice. It's a body tonic shower scrub. It clears dark spot. Not that it clears, sorry, it reduces dark spot, because by the time you exfoliate your skin, you keep exfoliating your skin, taking out dead skin cells, it will be reviewing the new skin cells on your skin, and your skin is gonna look flawless, beautiful, and glowy. So this helps to exfoliate your skin. You can use this on your knuckles, your elbow. If you have dark elbow, your knuckles, you can use it on your knuckles. You can use this in every part of your body, your lap, between your lap. If you have this joining, these laps that are close together and that area is so dark, or your underarm, you can use this on that particular place, as in concentrate on that place when you are exfoliating. Take your time, use your scrub, your sponge, your gloves, and scrub. Add this to it and just scrub, and it foams a lot and it smells so nice, guys. So guys, I will go ahead and read out the ingredients in this product. If I can see it clear, I don't have my glasses, but I can do that. I think we have aqua, that is water. We have sodium, we have sulfate, we have silica. They have a lot of nice vitamins. After reading these ingredients, we have glycerin. I didn't see anything like citric acid is in it, sorry guys. We have petroleum, we have the, yeah, no petroleum, sorry. We have the granule oil, we have the lemon oil, and everything in it is so nice. Sorry guys, I can't see, it's so small, it's written so small here. So we have everything here. I think I've taken my time to check it before making this video, so I didn't see anything that is harmful to the skin here. I just see all the nice ingredients. Water, at least when you are checking out for your product and you see water at the first place, then you know it's water-based product, and water is the main ingredient in this product. Like, it's very nice, and I love that it has this granule oil. It's very nice on the skin, and it's so nice, guys. So let's talk about the second. So my lovelies, the second one on my list today is this gold shower gel. Is called the number one. This is the number one in the gold range. Exfoliant, the Prepare Shower Gel Pressure Scrub with a Fairy Gold perfume. Yes, it's really nice. It's also from the Fair and White company. It smells really amazing. It smells like the gold range product too, while the pink one I just reviewed smell like the So White range. So if you are used to the fragrance of the gold, you will know what I'm talking about. This has a lot of perfume. It has a lot of perfume in it, and it smells so nice. So I'm doing a comparison. So for this gold range compared to the So White range, let me talk about the benefit first. This body scrub is very good. It's help you to take away dead skin cells. It glow your skin. It helps to reduce dark spots, hyperpigmentation on your skin. You use this 2 to 3 times, same with the other one, a week. And it's written that you can use it every day, but like I said, I'm very cautious of what I'm using on my skin. Too much of exfoliating can give you skin problems. So I do 2 to 3 times a week. I use every other normal shower gel within the week, and these 2 to 3 times I use this with my exfoliating gloves. So this is how to use it. So you first of all scrub your body, wash your body with your normal shower gel and your sponge. If you use this sponge, then you go ahead and rinse it off and use this on your skin, because you need to use this exfoliating scrub, the two, on a wet skin, on a damp skin, not on a dry skin. So that's why it's advisable for you to take your bath before you scrub. So a lot of people will tell you that I scrub before I take my bath. I don't know. I always love to take my bath before I scrub. So by this time your body is soaked in water, it is ready for the penetration of this exfoliating shower gel. So this does the same thing, like taking away dead skin, clearing your skin, making your skin glow. I've used the both of them. So the ingredients in this, we can also see that water is the number one, sodium lauryl sulfate, and yeah, we have almost the same thing, silica, we have citric acid, we have glycerin, fragrance, that is the perfume in it, and yeah, we have salicylate. This has salicylate, and it has lemon, and it have this granule oil. So we have a lot of nice ingredients in it. There is nothing harmful in this also, except it is hidden. But everything here is skincare, normal skincare. ingredient that is good for the skin. And you can see it started with water. I mean that water is the number one thing. It's a water-based product, and water is the highest ingredient in this product. So anytime you get your product, always check the first ingredient you see on the labeling. That is the first, that is the most higher, can I say higher, yeah, the highest ingredient you have in the product. Okay guys, so comparing these two, I will tell you that this one has mild, very very mild. You don't get to feel the peels on your skin when you are scrubbing. That is what I noticed. So this is on the gentle side, very very gentle. So compared to the pink one, so this is on the gentle side. That is the comparison. And this has a lot of perfume more than this. So if you are this type that love perfumery products, you can go for the gold range. And if you are this person that like you're exfoliating, when you are exfoliating, you don't want to feel the harshness on your skin, that you don't want to feel the heating, like the peels is really exfoliating the skin, you go for this gold range. They have other range like the carrot range, which I've not used, that I'll be giving a try. When next I'm ordering, I will add the carrot one on my product and see how it's gonna work too. But believe me guys, this does glow your skin. It works more perfectly when you're using the complete range. Use this, the body lotion, the oil, the serum, and you get the benefit. But using it alone, you will also get the benefit of the body scrub. So it is very very nice. We all know that the key point to get a beautiful skin is exfoliation, to exfoliate your skin. If you don't exfoliate your skin, there's no how your skin is gonna glow, like seriously. So this one, the first one I reviewed before, like the So White range, I love this. If you are this person that love to feel when you are exfoliating your skin, you go for this, because you can see, even though this one is finished, I would have showed you the difference. So the beads, you can see the beads on this one, the particles on this is it's a little bit visible, more visible than the gold one. So when you are using this, you feel the exfoliating process on your skin. Exactly, you feel the physical exfoliating process on your skin, how it's gonna be moving, scrubbing, like you feel the beads. Then after taking your bath, you see the little particles on the bathroom, like in the bath tube, you see the little particles. That's why I find out that this has more of the exfoliating peels more than the gold one. So talking about the fragrance, let's see what this. So this smells exactly like this floral perfume aroma. It has this So White range, the perfume smell. Why this has more of the high perfume? Because I think the gold, if you watch my previous video where I did about the gold review, I told you I stopped using the gold because of the perfume. The perfume is high, it's on the high level. So I prefer this one. The perfume is mild. It's like that feminine aroma, like the flora, that floral smell. That's what you get from this. So I love this because it's not too harsh. The perfume is not too harsh. It has this floral aroma and I love it. So this has more of the feeling effect. When you are using it, the effect is more than this one. So that means I think that this is going to work more in terms of glowing your skin. Yes, because of when you use it, you feel the effect. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I'm trying to tell you that this has more of the particles, the effect. You feel it more when you're using it, and this one is on the very very matte side. But compared to the perfumery, this one has more perfumes, have more perfume more than this. This perfume is more harsh, and this is on the matte side. So it's like a win-win. So this perfume is on the low side. If you are this person that don't like too much perfume in your skincare products, you have to go for this. And if you are a very light skin person and you want to brighten up your complexion, I think this does more of brightening, and this does more of prepare. This prepares your skin, like prepares your skin for the gold range to come in. This also prepares your skin for the So White range, but this does a little bit of brightening more than the gold for my experience, because this is not the first time I'm using this. If I'm not mistaken, this is the third bottle. I've used it previously before, even when I was not using the fair and white range, the fair and white cream. I normally get this from the Afro shop, but these ones come direct from Paris. These are from Paris. I ordered direct from Paris. And another advantage, what I like about it, it comes in this big bottle. Like it's very big, 940. The both of them comes in 940 ml. So it's very, very big. It lasts very long. It stays up to 3 months if I'm not mistaken. I use this up to 3 months, if it's not more than. I use this up to 3 months before I get another one, because I don't use it every day. But if you're using this every day, maybe use it for like 2 months, or let's say, yeah. So these two products is a win-win for me, guys. I will continue using this. I love it so much. It smells so amazing. It glows my skin. You can see for yourself. You can tell for yourself. Yeah, I don't have that lightning skin, but my skin glows. My skin glows very, very well. So I like it. It's a win-win. So if you are looking for a very nice, affordable body scrub, you can go get these two babies here. You can check them out and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Would you like to give them a try? Would you love to glow your skin? Yeah. Just let me know. Have you used them before? Did they work for you? Just let me know, and I would like to see your comments. And thank you for watching. That brings us to the end of today's video. I know this video is so long. Please pardon me. It's because I did two product 2-in-1 review. Okay, guys, so thank you. My videos are not usually long like this. I do them very short, brief and short. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed and stay beautiful. If you have any requests, any video requests you want me to make, any skincare product, drop it in the comment section and I will get back to you. So stay blessed and stay beautiful until I come your way next time. Bye bye.